So, change background tayo guys kasi yung bintana nandito at masyadong madilim kung andun ako sa gilid. Now, let's talk about what's inside this box. So, I'm really excited about this because I finally bought a Canon G7X Mark II, guys. Mark II. It's everyone's favorite. Every vlogger, every content creator, YouTube, travel video, whatever, videographer, they always love to have a Canon G7X Mark II.
We should hit the stars. We should hit the stars.
Nabili ko siya sa, it's actually not, it's original, but it's second hand. Hindi ako bumili ng, ano talaga, yung hindi second hand. The reason is that I already have a Canon EOS M10 and the Canon, the DSLR Canon 1100D, and ayoko kasing bumili ng yung first hand talaga na camera kasi parang unjustifiable sa akin, dami ko ng camera. So I decided to buy a second hand camera. Hindi naman siya, and then I also make sure na yung second hand camera is hindi siya yung sira, like bago pa. So I find this camera in Canon G7X Mark II Facebook page group Thailand. And then may nakita akong nagbenta ng kanyang second hand na G7X Mark II for only at first he sold it at 14,500 baht. So I'll put the conversion here. It is so cheap, guys. Kasi usually, mga second-hand Canon G7X doon, Mark II is range from 15,000 baht to 16,000 baht. So, parang sobrang mura na nung 14,500. And then, plus binigyan niya pa ako ng discount. It's supposed to be 14,500 and then it lowers down to 14,000, includes shipping na yun, guys. And good thing and in God's will, dumating nga siya at hindi niya house na scam. So yeah, so this is the box. So yeah, this is it, guys. So, marami siyang pinadala. Sa 14,000 baht, ang dami niya nang binigay na free items sa akin, which is such a good deal. And this is also my first time to see the camera, if it's really working, if it doesn't have any wrong about it. So, let's see kung na-ano ba ako, na-scam or wala. So, this one, bubble wrap. So, binigyan niya rin ako ng extra battery. Oh, yeah, diba? Extra battery. It's so good, guys, kasi binigyan niya ako ng extra battery. Canon battery cost around 1,000 baht to 1,500 baht in Thailand. So, giving this one is such a good deal na talaga, guys. Kasi kung bibili ka ng first-hand camera na Canon G7X Mark II, pinakamurang nakita ko sa isang marketplace is 15,980 baht. Camera lang yun, guys. Wala pang SD card and everything. So, 14,000 baht may extra battery. It's such a good deal. And then, ito, yan. Okay, SD card. Binigyan niya rin ako ng 32GB SD card, SanDisk, speed up to 80 MB. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, diba? So worth it. Okay, and this one, I'm not sure what is this one. Binigyan niya rin ako ng camera bag. Like, sobrang good deal na talaga siya, guys. Sobra. It's cost 14,000 baht. Ang dami ko ng freebies. So, parang dinaig pa niya yung first-hand camera. Oh, diba? Oh, ayan. Yung camera bag. Yon. Feel ko hindi pa to nagamit kasi naka-attach pa siya, oh. Oh, diba? So, ito na yung camera, guys. Oh my God. Ito na siya. I-open na natin. I will tell you later why I really wanted the G7X Mark II. As many of you know, this is the best friend of all vloggers. Meron siyang competitor ngayon, yung Sony RX100 Mark V, Mark V, I'm not sure, but it's Sony RX100. Yun yung competitor niya ngayon. Pero masyado siyang mahal. So, but I really love Canon. So, ayan, guys. At first, guys, parang nung nasa, na siya, processing of shipment, parang naano din ako. Kasi nga, sobrang mura niya. It's 14,000 baht. Baka yung sinabi niyang G7X Mark II is actually G7X Mark I. But, eto, guys. Mark II. Ayan. Mark II, guys. Mark II. Nasa box siya, in fairness. So, yan, meron siyang warranty. Sinanya na yung document sa akin ng warranty. At bumili pa siya ng extra warranty sa isang insurance company. So, it's really a good deal. Sana naman yung camera, it's a good deal din. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, unahin muna natin to. So, this is the charger. Ayan yung charger. Tapos yung connector nito, ito. Hindi ko na siya datang. Ito kaya, tagayin ko na lang siya. Feel ko guys, sobrang bago pa talaga nito. Kasi nga, andito pa yung mga, ano niya, oh. Yung mga, itong mga plastic na to. Usually, pag yung mga first-hand user na, ano, bumibili ng camera, tinatapon na yan. O, diba? Meron pa to. Buhay pa to. And this is the battery. The second battery of the camera. So, amazing, guys. Dalawa na yung battery ko agad-agad sa 14,000 baht. So, ayun. Yung mga papel-papel. Oh, perfect. Nandito yung insurance. Pinadala. Oh. Ito yung, resibo. Tingnan natin kung kailan niya binili. Oh my God, sobrang bago pa talaga, guys. Binili niya nung July 6 pa. O, diba? Sobrang bago pa. At ang total ng binili niya is 16,900. Nakakaloka. So, sobrang nakakaloka ka, kuya. Kasi 16,900, total of 16,900. Pero binigay mo siya sa akin ng 14,000 baht. Sobrang thank you, as in. Ayan, ang mahal niya. In fairness, 16,900. So, ito na yung insurance and everything. Ang bait mo talaga. So, ayan yung mga papel-papel. Yung Canon G7X na English na minsan hindi naman natin binabasa. This is the camera. I-open na natin to. Oh my God. Ay, nakakaloka mga pangyayari. Lagi ako nanonood talaga ng unboxing sa YouTube. Yung mga Canon G7X Mark II. Kasi gustong-gusto ko na talaga siyang bilhin. Oh my God. Ito na siya, guys. Si Canon G7X Mark II. Tingnan natin kung may mga sira and everything. Kasi hindi ko siya nakita personally dahil binili ko lang siya online. Okay, walang sira. Okay. Iba siya dun sa itong Canon. Iba siya sa Canon EOS. Kasi sa Canon EOS, ang flip ng camera is pa ganun lang. Ito, may pagganap na pangyayari. O, ayan. Okay. So, let's try to... Sana naman naka-charge tong battery, ano? Okay, open. Yan. And then lock. Ay, iba siya sa Canon ko. Kasi if i-flip mo, isa-slide mo lang siya para mag-lock. Ito, kailangan pa i-ano yung button. So, let's try to open again. Ang bilis niya talaga, guys. Sobrang bilis. Oh my God. Okay. Yan. So, ito siya, guys. So, let's try to... Hindi ko pa alam. Okay. Let's try to do Oh my God! Okay, guys. I-change ko siya dito sa Canon EOS M10 to Canon G7X Mark II. Wait. Halamin ko muna yung record button. Hindi to pala yung record button. So... Oh my God! Ito na siya, guys. At ang linaw-linaw niya. Oh my God! Oh my God. This is crazy. Ayan. Oh my God. Nakikita niyo talaga na hindi pa ako naliligo. Let's see. Ang linaw-linaw niya, guys. Sobra. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Oh my God. May Canon G7X Mark II na ako. So, I'll just play it with later how to do the autofocus and everything. So, let's get back to you. So, let me talk about the Canon G7X Mark II. Why I choose this, why I really wanted this camera. It's actually, kahit i-research nyo pa sa YouTube, sa Google, what is the best camera for vlogging, and they will recommend the Canon G7X Mark II. The reason, okay, ang maganda kasing feature nito, guys, is yung una-una sa lahat, yung stabilization niya. Perfect yung stabilization. So, I will do a testing on my part 2 video review of the Canon G7X Mark II. I will do the testing of the stabilization, the autofocus, and kung ano-ano pa mga features nito. But now, let's talk about first why I really love this camera. First is that the stabilization, sabi nila, yung stabilization daw nito is sobrang ganda. Kasi yung Canon EOS M10 ko, guys, napaka-shaky. If makikita niyo sa mga previous YouTube videos ko na nagvo-vlog ako, masyado siyang shaky. So, ito daw, stabilize. So, let's see. Meron siyang, ano nga yun? Autofocus siya. So, yan. Autofocus siya, guys. And then, yeah, maanuhin ko muna ito mamaya kung paano siya mag-autofocus. Sobrang autofocus daw nito. And then, meron siyang face detector. And this camera also, guys, is very good in low light. And then, yeah, in low light, like, sobrang ganda. So, i-test ko din yung low light niya. And then, what else? Meron din siyang feature na time-lapse. Gumagawa siya ng time-lapse. And I'll see later kung paano siya gawin. And then, ano pa ba? This has a very good, it also captures 180p to 60 frame rate per second. It is very good for slow-mo video. And then, the problem of this camera lang daw, guys, is that yung wala siyang microphone output. Input. Basta hindi mo siya nakakabitan ng microphone. So, the microphone of this camera is right here. Yung, ayun. Right here. So, pag natatakpan mo siya, magiging parang nasa ilalim ng dagat ka. So, make sure hindi mo siya natatakpan. Oh my God! Meron na akong, Canon G7X Mark II, guys. I'm really excited for my future travel videos. Like, gusto ko talaga to. Ayan, guys. So, malulobot na ako. And then, I'll do a test review of this Canon G7X Mark II. So, hope you like this unboxing video. So, parang ang dami ko na unboxing lately. So, yan. And see you next time. Bye! By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And if you haven't watched my other videos, go and watch it right now. And bye!